What's up, y'all? It is July 2nd now, and it is 4:38 in the morning, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave and be on my way to the city. Oh, that tastes good. I'm gonna go ahead and leave. I got up this morning and I took a shower to wake myself up. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. Last night I feel like my anxiety got bad because the first time I came I didn't drive by myself. I drove the whole way, but I wasn't in the car by myself. But this time I'm by myself. So I just had to pray and keep that fear and anxiety down because I didn't want nothing to stop me from coming. So now I'm about to go put some gas in my car and get on the road. And yeah, so I probably look tired. I didn't flat iron my hair because I didn't even try to look for the damn flat irons. I just kept this on because I'm gonna be driving for a long time, so like all day really. So I was like, I'm just gonna be comfortable and I don't care. I'm still cute though. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Yeah, so I will see y'all later, I guess, when I'm on the road and when the sun come up and I just wake up some more, like, and be on this road for a while. So I see y'all. I know the lighting is weird because I got this on, well, that's a little better. But okay, I'm finna go. See y'all later. What's up, y'all? I'm back. Y'all see me this morning, but I was in the car. But I'm to my destination now. I still got this damn thing on, but so what? But I'm gonna take it off and brush my hair because my mother just got off work and she's gonna come and scoop me up. So, cause she needs to go to the store and stuff. So I'm just gonna go with her. When I got here, I went and got me something to eat. And I came in this room and I went to sleep. Because I was so tired. So I went to a place that I liked last time we came. It was called Portillo's hot dogs. But I didn't eat no hot dogs. They got a lot of different stuff there. So yeah, that's what I ate. And then as you can see, I sleep in the bed. But I can turn the light on to show y'all what this room looks like. Okay, so this is the room. You come in right here. You come in, TV. There's a bed, like food, all that stuff. And you just, this right here. It ain't big at all. I'm in the bathroom. One thing I don't like is this fucking shower. I do not like the shower. I'm picky about showers. I don't like this at all. It look dirty. But this room ain't really nothing big. You know, nothing too special, fancy about it. Bed is comfortable though. So yeah, that ain't really much. Rub that baby. It's a pretty nice room. I ain't never been. It looks like a little cabin, like a small little cabin room. I like it actually. The bed sleep good. I got a good king size to myself. So yeah, I'm gonna be here for seven days. So I'll be here until next Friday. Cause the second, today is Friday. Yeah. In the last video, I just went all over the place, but I'm finna change my clothes real quick. I'll probably just change the pants I got on, but anyways, what I was gonna say, in the last video, I said that was gonna be a vlog, but that ain't no vlog, obviously. I'm just posted it like that. So yeah, I'm finna change clothes and brush my hair and go to the store with her. And then after that, I don't know what we gonna do. Cause she off tomorrow. We might do something tomorrow. I don't know. So yeah. So I will see y'all. I don't know when, but I'll see y'all soon. So